I didn't know if I take one plate, add tissue, spray some water over it, make sure it's wet enough, then put small candle and hold down a glass on it and press it
Until candle blows out, it creates a vacuum. Wow, that is something cool. But hold on, do you know how strong it is? Let's try to put one orange. Wow, it's good. Put another. It's beautiful. Put another. It's great. Put another. It's amazing. Put another. It's marvelous. Oops, it's not.
Did you know orange peel contains a highly inflatable oil in it? When you press down orange peel, you can see the splash of oil coming out. Now let's see what we can do with this oil. What is more amazing, I didn't know that I can make a smoke machine with just using a matchsticks. What I need to do is just place some matchsticks in an aluminium foil and give a support of a pencil and roll it over like this. And just simply pull out the pencil and bite the one side of the aluminium foil. And then just give it a fire. It will generate a smoke. And let's see what you can do with the smoke. Wow, isn't it amazing? Let's try it with some more matchsticks and bigger bottle. I'm really excited to try it out. Ooh, how did I do that? It's just a simple thing. You can add a smoke like before and just add a little bit of deo inside it and light it up. Boom! Do you know we can convert a water into a solid form without any special tool? Just add a spoon of sodium polyacrylate powder and mix it well. It's a super water absorber. It absorbs all the water and turn it into a solid form. What's even more cool is you can convert the solid form into water again by just adding a spoon of a salt and mix well. In few seconds, it will be in liquid form again. Amazing, isn't it? I didn't know we can make a magical color changing lava lamp. What we need to do is add some water and add a spoon of citric acid and add 50 ml of oil over it. And why oil floats above the water is because it's lighter than a water. Then add a mixture of butterfly pea powder and water into it. And then take another mixture of water and baking soda powder mixture. And take it into a singe ring to pour it slowly. And check out how amazingly it is creating a lava lamp effect. But as you keep on adding it, see how beautifully it's changing the color? Super amazing, right?